फिर से कर, हाँ मैं ऑन कर दिया हूँ। इस तरह 2-3 चला देते हैं प्रोग्राम, है ना सर? Actually we have tried 2-3 inbuilt motions given in the library to show you just how it is working, and till now you cannot find any program which teach the robot to walk. Actually that what we are looking for. We don't have any idea about that till now. These are the actually motion blocks here. You can see ready-made programs, and here if you take any example, these are the motion blocks like we used to do in Lego NXT. They're very user friendly, but it has control for only each servos. Means for walking we could not find any such programs till now. And if you click here, that is to play, then the data from this USB will go to here to the robot, and it will give the motion to the robot like this. Or yes, but the main problem is with this battery. This battery number 1 gives us backup up to max 10 minutes, whereas this battery number 2 gives maximum 2 minutes. So with this I don't think we can perform any sort of experiment, because we need at least 30-minute backup for this. So this is the another program. Yeah, now it is working, but you cannot balance it somehow. Now it is working. ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम था? नंबर ये मेरे ख्याल
hard surface, some rough surface.
Yeah, we can place it, but this distance,